Tonight's constellation is another summer bonus, Sagittarius. It's not on our summer constellation sketching list because it's usually best seen from locations farther south from Minnesota. What we are going to look for is specifically the asterism called the Teapot at the heart of Sagittarius. And the reason we're finding this tonight, even though it's not on our Constellation Hunter sketching list, is because of all the really cool deep space objects hiding in this asterism. So if you have a pair of binoculars, go grab them. Otherwise, grab your star map and let's get going. Heading outside and looking directly south at the end of the summer this year, you will see the bright gas giant planets Jupiter and Saturn. These two planets have been hanging out in our night sky for a while now, and are on deck for a big conjunction this December. Slightly off to the west of these two planets is the asterism known as the Teapot. The body of the Teapot is a trapezoid marked by these 4 stars. The handle then loops off the east side towards Jupiter and Saturn. The lid goes up, and it finishes at the spout. There are a bunch of really interesting deep space objects hiding just off the Teapot. This is because it lies along the densest part of the Milky Way galaxy. In fact, the center of the galaxy is just off the spout of the Teapot. And in the center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole, 4 million times the mass of our Sun. The black hole itself is invisible as it doesn't emit or reflect any light. But its effects on the stars, gas, and dust orbiting around it are visible. That's how we know it's there and how massive it is. Out the top of the spout, like steam rising, is M20, the Trifid Nebula. It is an unusual combination of nebula types. It has a star cluster at the center, an emission nebula, seen here in pink, a reflection nebula, seen at the top of the image in blue, and a dark nebula that is the dark dust lanes dividing the nebula into 3 segments that lead to its name. The last deep space object I'm going to point out to you tonight lays just off the east of the lid of the Teapot and appears as a faint patch of light through binoculars. It is known as M22, the Great Sagittarius Cluster. There are more than 83,000 stars in this spectacular globular cluster. These stars are more than twice as old as the solar system, estimated at an age of nearly 12 billion years. The Teapot lies along the center of the Milky Way, making it rich in deep space objects. You could spend the rest of summer just looking in this direction of the sky, but don't get too distracted by the gems that can be found here. We have an exciting fall sky to look forward to. So until next time, happy stargazing!